In this video, we are going to see that if you want to add a location on Google Maps, here's how you can easily do it. But just remember guys, if any particular location is missing, let's say it's your home, it's your office, and you want to drop a pin and set it as a location, you can easily do it, but that will be applicable for your maps only. That will not be publicly available. For that, you have to use Google My Business Listing. So let's say this is the specific location. Near this village, I have my home, but it is not shown as a location. So what I'll do is I'll hold the tab here and it will drop a pin here. After that, you can suggest and edit on the drop pin. You can add this missing place and you can add your business to maps for free as well. So this is a new feature that you can try and see on the other mobile whether it is shown or not. So let's say I just want to click on this and it goes to Google My Business. Like I told you, business name, business category, you have to follow some next steps and you can add your business. But otherwise you can just mark it as favorites from the top area, like here. You can mark it as favorites or want to go places or start places, whatever you want. And you can add a note with it. Let's say home, click close, and the pin is dropped. You can see this location. And also what you can do is it shows a dropped pin. We want to add a label. How do we add a label? You just click on this dropped pin and it will open up all of these options. Just scroll all the way to the right and just mark it as home. Let's say now it changes your location to home. But like I said, it is only added for yourself and not for the public. So what you can do is just click on this top right hand corner on the profile. And here, if you scroll down, it says add your business. Do you want to click on this? And after that, you can create a profile on Google Maps. You can name the business. Let's say I'll just mention it like this. Business category, it's education. Let's say we have a physical education center as well. Do you want to add a location customer can visit, like store or office? If you want to be yes, click next. And it goes on to enter your business address, street, and so on. You can always add them later. Some of the fields are required. So I'll just quickly mention it randomly. Is this your business? If not, none of these. These are all the steps that I am showing you to add a location publicly in Google Maps. Click on next. Where are you located? After that, you want to make sure that you are either in that particular location so that it can pick it up exactly, or otherwise you can just use this adjust feature to tweak it a little bit and drop the pin to exact location. Click on done, click next. Do you want to provide deliveries or home and office visits? So click yes or no, whatever is your preference. So as you can see, there are many steps here. Add areas you serve. You can add anything here, but we can skip through this step as well. You want to list your number. You want to list your website. You can skip through this step for now. Get updates about your business. Would you like to receive alerts? Yes, click next. And it will start the verification process. After that, you will see the update on it. Click on next. You can add your business and let's say adult lessons. Click next. What kind of services you provide, how you operate. You can enable all of these. Let's skip from this step. Add a business description. You can add any business description. Click skip. And you can select the storefront photo and different photos of your business. Click on skip for now, but you can add all of these details basically. Add photos for your business. You can select different images. Right now, I just want to skip to show you further step. Claim your $380 advertising credit. You will get the free credit with it as well. But let me just click on skip right now to see the final steps. Your address will be visible once you are verified. So after that, you should be able to publicly list your business. And as you can see, it says your business on Google. And you can edit your profile, read your reviews, photos, post, performance. So basically this is Google My Business listing. That's how you do it. It's a very effective tool in order to grow your business, list your maps, get reviews on it. So in this particular tutorial, I have explained you both how you can add a simple location just for yourself. Just drop a pin and you can set a location for yourself. So let's say that you want to reach any particular point that is not listed in any way on Google Maps. You can just list it for yourself so that you can reach on your, let's say, neighbor's home, your friend's home, let's say your relative's home, your friend's home easily. So you just pin and save it on Google Maps. And also you don't have to find the location on their chats. You can just directly go there. And the other method is listing your business. So that's how you can add a location in Google Maps. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.